Hey there, friends. My name is Nathan Masters. I'm the founder of SimpleShot, the world's leading supplier of slingshots, and we are super happy to be the sponsor and the host of the 2025 Bushcraft Bonanza giveaway. Now, we've been doing this for a couple of years, and it's getting bigger and bigger each year, and this year is unlike any other. We've got tens of thousands of dollars of prizes from some great sponsors. So I just want to go through real quick and give you an idea of what kind of gear we're working with here. So I'll start with the biggest one here. This is our friends over at Laek. They make great gear for being on the water. They also are the founders of Weekends Out Adventure Magazine, an online magazine. They're giving away a couple of these dry bags and a lifetime subscription to all winners in this contest. Next up is Wazoo gear. Wazoo gear makes some excellent everyday gear. This is their cash cap. I'm wearing one right now. Go check out the guys at Wazoo gear. They make excellent, well thought out gear. We have our friends at Tuff Possum. Everybody loves a good bag. Tuff Possum makes top quality gear right here in the USA. They've generously donated several of their satchels, the Shackleton satchel. I carry one of these myself. It's a great bag. I use it all the time. Next up, we've got our friends over at Überleben. They kind of specialize in fire, but they've got some great cookses and different fire-related tools. And no Bushcraft Bonanza giveaway would be complete without lots of knives. We all love our knives. We've got several great knife sponsors this year. We've got our friends over at Knafs giving away several awesome folders. We've got LT one of our original sponsors, with the Genesis and a couple other beautiful blades. We've got Kershaw knives. Kershaw is giving away a couple of folders and a fixed blade knife. We've got our friends over at Woods Monkey with their half shetty and their curve carver. And we've got our friends over at Reiff knives. And this is a chunk. I kind of like this knife. I'm a little bit covetous of it. Keeping on with the knife theme, Outdoor Element. They make a lot of gear outside of knives. They've generously donated their Feather series. We've got 5 different knives from them, as well as some excellent gear that's related to everyday carry, outdoor survival type situations. Our friends over at Fowler's Makery and Mischief have generously donated lots of their cool supplies. We've got one of Fowler's shovels in here. We've got our friends over at Lever Gear, who make very handy everyday carry tools. We have a huge selection of different survival cards from Grim Workshop. Our friends at PNWBUSHCRAFT have donated several very cool waxed canvas pieces of gear. Let's see, what are we missing here? Can't forget SimpleShot. SimpleShot is giving away lots and lots of slingshots. I think every winner is going to walk away with a slingshot, and I do believe every winner is going to walk away with Slingshot Mastery, our online course to mastering the slingshot. So I want to give a huge thanks to our very generous sponsors for making 2025 Bushcraft Bonanza giveaway a huge success. We've got some great gear here. Well over $20,000 of gear that we're giving away. So if you want to be a part of it, make sure you get in before November 10th. Best of luck to you all.